Privacy tools, web privacy tools have been around for a decade or so. And while they're powerful, they tend, I think it's fair to say they're designed by engineers for engineers. They can be tricky to configure, confusing to use, and they tend to break or slow down the web. Here's a shot of Google Maps before and after with one of these tools running. And that's where Disconnect comes in. Disconnect is a browser extension that lets you control your data. And the extension is designed for everybody. I'm going to show you how easy Disconnect is to install and configure. So from the extension installation page in Chrome, I'm just going to hit the install button. I'm going to confirm, and I'm completely done. If I go to any web page now, the first thing you'll notice is I get a real-time counter of all the tracking requests that are blocked on the page. Disconnect knows about and can block more than 100 third parties and search engines. If you want more details about exactly what's being blocked, you can click on this counter. And rather than show you a long laundry list of blocked services, Disconnect does some smart auto-categorization. So we have the major third parties and search engines broken out. And then we have categories for advertising, analytics, and social networking services. If you want even more details, these are expandable. These categories are expandable and collapsible. And the third parties are also hyperlinked if you happen to not know what one of them is. So now if we look at the web page itself, I think the killer feature of Disconnect in terms of making privacy simple is that on the page, Disconnect will show you exactly what's being blocked. So wherever blocked content would have been rendered, you see these Disconnect blue boxes. And if we look really closely, you can even see tracking pixels on the page. And if you mouse over these boxes, you can see exactly what content would have been there. Here's some content from Facebook, an ad from OpenX, and so on. And the really cool part is that if you click on these boxes, rather than having to unblock a service and reload the entire page, the content will be loaded immediately in line.